There is this trending flyer effect that is going viral now. Many graphic designers use them on their flyer to make designs captivating. And have you wondered how you can be able to create these types of effects using your smartphone, using Pixellab? That is why this video is here for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to create this effect using Pixellab with just your smartphone. So kindly stick with me to the end of this video so you'll be able to master this trick. Alright, so this is effect, the one I just did now, but I'll have to start all over because this is a tutorial. What I'll have to do is I'll open a new workspace, then I can delete all these things that are here, and preferably I would like to change the background, so I can go to color and probably pick any color of my choice. I can be picking this black color, then go to this place, then go to shapes, go to my shapes, increase the size a bit, and then select a square shape. Then go down to mask. There is a place you see mask here. I'll select it, enable it, and then put it out here. Then position this in such a way that these the edges here will look bent, just like the way I'm doing this particular one. So if you're doing this yourself, you need to do it carefully, gradually, so you'll be able to get the particular slanting effect that you want, particular curve that you want. So after that, you can just mark then increase the size of this to make sure that it occupies this whole space that is here. Once you're done with that, you go down to your background, make it transparent, and then save it to your gallery. Then you save as image. You can be saving with PNG, save to gallery. After that, you will have to open a new background. So let me add the color to my background. Let me add the initial color I was using, which is black. Then I'll have to delete this particular one that is here. Then go to here and I'll have to import the saved effect I did, which is this. After the import, you increase the size to fit into the size of these places. You can simply use this relative position to make sure it is well adjusted. Then go down to texture. Go to texture, add the texture to it. So I'm picking the background I saved for this, so you can just check the description for this material. So I'll pick this up and then I'll be adding this here. You can enable this to be able to fit it very well. After that, then click good. Then the next thing I'll do is that I'll have to copy this. Once I copy this, you see it's double here. Then go down to color. I'll add a color to this depending on the color you're applying. So I'll be using a purple color and I'll add it here. Then mark good. Go to the relative position, position it this way, and then I'll have to make sure that you position it so that it will fit in with the previous one. And after that, you go down to opacity and reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity a bit. I think this one is okay. Good. Then you go to color, you add the gradient color. You can see because I'm making use of a purple color, I can just select this one that is already here. Or if I'm making use of this color, I can select this gradient and the rest of that. Alright. Or you can simply combine your own color from here. Then you can use it on your design. So this is what I'll be using. I'll just select this particular one. After everything, you have to merge the two. You merge it. Then you go down to shadow. You go down to inner shadow. Enable your inner shadow. Increase the blur radius. And then choose a color of your inner shadow. So I'll be choosing a white color here so that it will make my design pop more. And then increase the offset of Y axis a little bit, so that it will show this white glow at the edge, at the upper edge. Then good. So this is the effect here. You can actually use it, place it for your design, or change the background to suit what you want to do, or you can simply import the background you want from your gallery and then use this for your design. This is also applicable to other colors, so you can also use that to practice. Right? Thank you so much for viewing this video. If this video was useful to you, Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video, and comment on how useful this video was to you in the comment section.